This is the third in a series that I've been doing with vintage cameras that I find are just absolutely wonderful, considering their age and how they've held up. This is a Spartus Full-Vue Scienar camera. It was manufactured from the years 1948 to 1960 in Chicago by the Galter Products Company, founded by Jack Galter. This is a wonderful medium format quasi twin lens camera. It does have two lenses, but it's not a reflex camera. It has a 92 millimeter fixed focus lens. What's interesting, the reason that Spartus